Hi everybody, I thought it'd be interesting for you to be able to vote on what kind of video you'd like me to make and what sort of questions you'd like answered. So what I've done is I've compiled a list of 6 questions and topics that you can vote on. So I'm just going to run through those questions, and all you need to do is vote on them either by DM or PMing me or emailing familylawclinic@btinternet.com. So here they are. Question 1. How do I fill in the reply form which you get when the court sends you a divorce petition and it's full of lies? Now, obviously there's lots of options and I'd like to be able to tell you what those options are. Question 2. If I'm divorcing my spouse because of their bad behaviour, how much detail do I need to put in? And what should I say? So that's interesting too, because you don't want to put in too much information and you don't want to put too little information in. Otherwise, the court might think you just don't have sufficient grounds to get a divorce. Question 3. What should I do if our mortgage lender issues repossession proceedings during our divorce because of huge mortgage arrears and because one of us or both of us isn't paying the mortgage? Now, in very acrimonious divorces, this often happens because the spouse just wants the house to go or wants to make life as impossible as possible for the spouse that's living in the house. So they stop paying the mortgage. Right, question 4. What form or forms do I need if I find out that my child is being treated really badly by my ex, who the child is living with, and I want to actually get an order from the family court that the child moves in with me? There are 2 types of forms here, which I'll go through, but it really does depend on what the facts are and who's been involved and if you've reported it before, but I can go into detail about that. Question 5. Ever since our child arrangement's final order, the Child Maintenance Service have said that I must pay maintenance to the other parent, even though one child lives with me and one lives with the other parent. And obviously this sometimes happens because there's a change of circumstances and the order no longer reflects what's happening in people's lives. However, you have to deal with what you owe. So I'll explain what the position is on that one. Final question 6. What exactly is that document that's called a notice of first appointment, which has 3 dates on it? And how do I fill it in? And what's the relevance of the 3 dates? So that's the notice of first appointment, usually which you get if you're divorcing and you have to resolve financial matters. Sometimes it's used in other financial circumstances where there's a dispute. So what I want you to do is I want you to vote, please, on those 6 topics, and the one topic that gets the most votes, I'll prepare a video on and give you the information that you need. So I look forward to hearing from you about that. Bye for now.